This is the drawing area where we actually create our model. In order to navigate our model, we use pan and zoom. So for pan, click and hold this middle mouse scroll wheel. You can see this. I'm just holding the scroll wheel in order to get this symbol, and after you get this symbol, you can actually pan it around. Now, in order to zoom in, you can just simply use the mouse wheel. You can see right now I'm zooming in, and after that you can zoom out as well. Let's say you zoom out this too far and you want that and you want to restore the view. In that case, you can just simply double click on the mouse wheel and it will restore the view. Even if you zoom in to out, okay, zoom in to out, and after that you can just simply double click on the mouse and it will restore the view. So this is how you can use zoom in and zoom out. Same goes for the 3D view as well. So let's go to 3D view. Now you can see if I want to pan it, I just simply need to press the mouse wheel and I can just pan it around. If you want to zoom in, I can just simply use the mouse scroll wheel. Right now I'm zoom in. You can just simply double click on the mouse wheel in order to restore the view. You can just simply zoom out with the help of mouse wheel. You can actually rotate the wheel. If you know, if you notice that you can see that I'm zoom out very more. I can just simply double click on that to restore the view. Now, if I want to orbit the view, all I need is just to simply use shift and then mouse wheel. You can see I can shift it around, I can rotate it. Okay, also if I want to rotate around an object, in that case I need to select that object. Okay, so let me just simply cancel that. I will just simply select this object, and now I'm using shift and mouse wheel in order to rotate around the object. You can see. You can also use the top right view cube. You can see that this is the view cube, and with the help of this one as well you can actually move it around. So I can just simply click on this one, just like that. Just simply click on that. You want to see the top, you can see it from top. You can just simply look it from this side, you can this side. Also you can use this rotation as well in order to navigate, in order to orbit it. You can see this is the pivot, and with the I'm just simply selecting it and navigating it just like that.